Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use parental safety settings on Roblox. So just log into my account and just move in the settings, which is more right bottom corner. So just scroll down to find general settings. So just tap on it, and here is the fourth option is parental controls. So just tap on it. Parental control is for your child. If a child is under 18, so you can just set the basic settings for him when he log into this Roblox account. So here you will what are parental control. So you will see the all read these descriptions, and if you set a pin for your parental control for a child, you can set settings for your children so that they can't open anything wrong that you want them to open. For children under 18, so you can just select the age of your child. You will see the last option is, you will see you can select it by age. Is your child is above 9 and 7 and 13, and you will see if you just set the pin. So you can also set a two-step verification when your child was logged into your Roblox account. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.